So, פרק רביעי, מסכת יומא, משנה א', first Mishnah. We are going to continue now with the service of the high priest. We went on a tangent last time, and now we're going to continue. ביאור משנה א', explanation of משנה א'. משנתנו חוזרת לתיאור העבודה של הכהן גדול. We're going to go back to the service of the high priest. בפרק הקודם למדנו, in the previous chapter we learned, שלאחר שהתוודע על פרעה, that after he made vidui on his bull, his personal bull, right, the Kohen Gadol, he didn't shecht it yet, he just made vidu, בא לו למזרח המזרה, then he goes to the east of the courtyard, לצד הצפוני של המזבח, to the north side of the altar. And what's over there in the north? So he didn't shecht his bull yet, he just made the vidu on the bull. Now he goes to the north side of the mizbeach. The bull is right next to the heichal, right next to the opening of the tent. So he goes back to where you shecht all the other animals. And what's there? Sham amdu shnei seirei izim. Over there are the two goats.
The Bet HaMikdash?
Yeah. The two goats are right there. Wait. ושם עמדו שתי זעירים. And over there we have the two goats. וקלפי הייתה שמה. And this is where we went on a tangent. You remember with the kalfi, it was out of gold, and we praised him. That's where we went on a tangent. וכלפי הייתה שם ובה שתי גורלות. There was a kalfi, a lottery over there, and in that box there was two gold גורלות. One says להשם, and one says לעזאזל. פרקנו ממשיך איפה בתור עבודתו של הכהן גדול. So right now, the Kohen Gadol is standing next to the two goats. Taraf bekalfi. So he mixes out. He doesn't look, and he mixes out the lottery, the two things. He doesn't see which one is which. הכהן גדול נענע והרבב את הגורלות שבקלפי. He shook it. He shook it. כדי שלא יכיר איזה לשם, ויתילנו בימינו. So he's not going to know which one is for God, and he's going to take him in his right hand. לפי שסימן טוב היה להם, כשעלה גורל על שם בימינו. It says, what's the difference? Anyway, one goes to God, one goes to the Zehu. But the high priest wanted for God to be in the right hand. Because then it means, oh, that's going to be a good year. If it went on the left hand, it doesn't necessarily mean it was a good year. On the right hand, it was a good year. It was a good omen. ויש מפרשים טרף חטף. Those who explain, טרף means he grabbed. כלומר, הוציא דרך חטיפה מהירה את הקולות מתוך הקלפי. Doesn't matter which way, he took it quickly out of the קלפי, כדי שלא תהיה לו שהות להבחין משהו נוטל בימינו. So he doesn't have time to check which one is which. Okay. והעלה שני גורלות. So now he's holding two, like...
Oh, so he take like this.
That's right. So he holds one in his right, one in his left. אחד בימינו ואחד בשמאלו. אחד כתוב עליו לשם ואחד כותב עליו לעזאזל. One is written for God, and one is written to hell, לעזאזל. ולאחר שהעלה את הגורלות, היה רואה מה העלה בימינו ובשמאלו. And then he opened up his hands, and he saw which one says for God, which one says for לעזאזל.
Let's say I say in my hand is להשם, and the other one is no. And now the goats, they stand here. So this is this.
Yeah, exactly. So, as we said before, he's got הסגן מימינו, he's got the vice, Kohen Gadol, standing on his right, וראש בית אב משמאלו, and the one who's the responsible for the Beit HaMikdash for that day, he's standing on his left. Like we explained before. אם של שם עלה בימינו, if it says י' K ו' K in his right, הסגן אומר לו, the סגן that's on his right, he tells to him, אישי כהן גדול, הגבי ימיניך. It says, my master, the high priest, please raise your right hand. שידוע כל שהגורל שבימינו להשם, that everybody will know that the right hand says to God. ואם של שם עלה בשמאלו, and if י' K ו' K was on his left hand, ראש בית אב אומר לו, then the one who's responsible for the Kohanim, he says to him, אישי כהן גדול, הגבי שמאלך. He says, my master, the high priest, lift up your left hand. להודיע שהגורל שבשמאל אל השם. To tell everybody that in other words, he always lifted י' K ו' K. He never lifted the other one. נתנן על שני השעירים. Then he puts them on the two goats. הגורל שלה בימין נתן על השעיר שעמד לימינו, the one that on the right he gave to the goat that's on the right, והגורל שלה בשמאל על העיר שעמד בשמאלו, and one on the left he gave to the goat on the left. ואומר, and then he says, להשם חטאת. It says, to God is this sin offering. להשם חטאת. בשעה שנותן על השעיר את הגורל של שם, when he gives the goat the lottery that says Yud Kei Vav Kei, and by the way, I think he used to say over here, Yud Kei Vav Kei the right way, not like we say today. Yes, he actually said the Shem Mefurash. והיה מזכיר את השם המפורש, and he used to announce the name itself, ככתבו, just like it's written. Rabbi Ishmael אומר, Rabbi Ishmael says, no, he's got a different opinion. לא היה צריך לומר חטאת, אלא להשם. He didn't say as a sin offering, he only said this is for God, בלבד. והן, and then, הכהנים והעם עומדים בעזרה, and then all the Kohanim and all the nation who used to stand in the courtyard, עונים אחריו, they used to answer after him, when they heard him say God's name, ברוך שם כבוד מלכותו לעולם ועד, just like we say in Yom Kippur, blessed is the name of the God forever and ever, כמו שביארנו like we explained before. So this section was that. Okay.